everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and I have the very highly coveted, exciting birthday box from Fat Quarter Shop celebrating 10 years. This is a very special looking box. As you can see, they've gotten some new packaging here. I do not know if this is just for the birthday box or if this will be from month after month, but let's go ahead and see what's in this. I am super excited. Inside we have our theme for this month's box, and it says Summer Sunset, April 2026. And on the back, there is a whole bunch of stuff, so I'm not going to show it, but it does say celebrating 10 years, so Sampler turns 10. Thank you so much for being a member. We are so excited to celebrate 10 years with you. This month's box includes specially themed notions and bonuses to mark this milestone year. We are also celebrating by bringing out 12 patterns from the Sew Sampler Vault, and you can see more on that in the Sew Sampler Vault section. We are so proud of the 120 boxes we've curated so far, and we can't wait for you to see what we still have in store. Keep on quilting, Kimberly Jolly. Okay, so I'll go ahead and tag that Sew Sampler Vault below if I can find it on their website. Let's see what else we have got going on here. Okay, so we've got some special Sew Sampler savings. So there are 3 coupons here that we can enjoy. We get a free Denim Bees Knees book stand. I have seen those. Those are by Lori Holt, I believe. With an order of $100 or more, we do get a free Kimberly Cuts 12.5-inch square rotating cutting mat. I actually think I already have that downstairs as well, with an order of $80 or more. And we get a free Simply Jelly Rolls book with an order of $60 or more. And then there is a quilt idea here, free for everybody, not just Sew Sampler members, if you want to go ahead and scan that QR code right there. Okay, and then it does have a little excerpt here about the Sew Sampler Vault. So it says, Winding Path, originally published in May of 2022. We are celebrating all year long with Sew Sampler Vault patterns. For the first time ever, we are bringing out 12 of the most popular quilt patterns with the Sew Sampler from the Sew Sampler Vault. We will include one Sew Sampler Vault printed pattern in each month's box as a special bonus to our members. We hope that they will inspire your quilting journey for years to come. Okay, so we might get some duplicates. It sounds like if you've been a subscriber for a very long time. I have, I think, 7 years now. Sorry, Vanilla Bean. But that's okay. You can always give those extra patterns to your friends. Someone reminded me in the comments of last year's birthday box that last year's box was kind of a dud, but I'm already looking at these contents and you're going to be extremely happy. We have our foldable insert here. This does tell us the contents of the box as well as the price of the item. So I'll go ahead and total that up at the very end to see how much we saved by purchasing this box. First up here, we have a Sew Sampler 10-year Mega Stash in Store by Fat Quarter Shop, and it does retail for $14.98. It says, keep your sewing essentials neatly organized with the Sew Sampler 10-year Mega Stash in Store, created in celebration of Sew Sampler's 10th anniversary. Designed with larger openings, it easily holds larger tools like fabric scissors, glue pens, marking tools, and other must-have notions. A perfect match to the full Stash and Store line. Set it aside your machine for a tidy, convenient spot to keep your tools within reach while you sew. Let me go get my other Stash and Store that I actually do keep next to my machine, and we will compare the size of the holes. All right, so I went and got my other Stash and Store. This is the one I keep in my machine all the time here. It says by It's So Emma. All right, I didn't see much of a difference though actually with the hole size. Maybe you guys do here on the screen. But what I have noticed is that with the original Stash and Store here, these kind of separate. These little like flower design separates. And so if you would put something heavy like fabric scissors, it kind of just like flops over. It definitely doesn't store very well. And the fabric scissors don't fit the entire way down here. You kind of have to like jam it in there. But what I noticed about this one is that they're connected. Like everything is connected, nothing comes apart. And so if you do just kind of smash it down in there a little bit with some force, it stands up really nice. So that's exciting. Next up, we have a vinyl sticker. This retails for $2.98. And it is a Sew Sampler exclusive, which means you cannot get this on the website. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my sewing machine. We have a bag here full of Alpha Biddies. These are Sew Sampler Alpha Biddies by It's So Emma. It is a Sew Sampler exclusive, meaning you cannot get this on their website. And it retails for $7.48. It says, wait, what was the piece for again? The Sew Sampler exclusive Alpha Biddies specialty marking tools are here to help keep everything straight while you sew. This little set of letters and numbers make it easy to label and sort your fabric pieces as you prep your quilt, so every stack stays right where it belongs. Reusable, lightweight, and wonderfully handy, they're the little helpers that keep your sewing session running smoothly. And I think the difference might be that little like scissors at the top that kind of look like a bow. I don't know, you guys will have to let me know. I actually don't have the original Alpha Biddies. I have like the second iteration of Alpha Biddies where it was like A, A, B, B, C, C. I don't have the standard single letter blocks. All right, this is a big deal. We've really loved getting these in the past. So this is a Pretty Pockets Sewing Machine Caddy Quilt As You Go kit by June Taylor for Fat Quarter Shop. It is an exclusive. Once again, you can't get this one on the website, and it says it retails, I'm sorry, I don't know why I keep saying that. Fat Quarter Shop exclusive means that you can get it only at Fat Quarter Shop. Sew Sampler exclusive means that you can only find it in the Sew Sampler. I am so sorry. So everything that I've just said, make sure that I said the correct thing. So this retails for $12.98. It says, let the colors of a summer sky just after sunset settle into your sewing space with the Pretty Pockets Sewing Machine Caddy Quilt As You Go kit, a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. Designed to slip neatly under your sewing machine, it creates 4 handy pockets for keeping scissors, markers, seam rippers, and other essentials close at hand. It also helps reduce vibration or shaking caused by your sewing machine. Try it with the charm packs in this box. It's a clever little project that turns into a pretty practical companion. Here are the requirements here on the back that you will need. And here's a much better picture here under the sewing machine. There's also a QR code to help you with the instructions. If you've never seen the June Taylor kits, here is a big piece of stabilizer essentially, and you get your fabric and you place them on the lines. Hopefully you can see the lines here. And then you go ahead and you sew everything and connect the piece to make whatever project you're working on. The lines are not actually sewing lines, they're just placement lines, but you obviously sew through the stabilizer. I don't feel any glue dots on this, so I don't think that it's a fusible stabilizer. All right, Fat Quarter Shop did not disappoint. We've got 3 Honeyed Horizon charm packs right here. This is by Carrie Anguiano. Sorry if I butchered that, for Moda Fabrics. This does retail for $37.44. And it says, chase the golden hour with Moda. Honeyed Horizon by new designer Carrie Anguiano. Glows with warm peaches, golden yellows, fresh greens, and breezy aquas that mingle like the sky as the sun dips below the horizon. A cheerful mix of florals, honeycomb prints, and playful geometrics gives every square its own little moment to shine, creating a collection that feels like warm evenings, flickering fireflies, and that last golden wink of daylight. These 3 5-inch charm packs are the perfect companion for piecing together the Honeysuckle quilt pattern. Okay, and I'll go ahead and put the fabric card up here so that you guys can see what fabrics are in this line. Here we have our very first pattern. This is Honeysuckle Quilt Pattern by Fat Quarter Shop. It is beautiful. I actually really love this one, you guys. This is a Sew Sampler exclusive, which means it's exclusive to the box, and it does retail for $9.98. It says, capture the soft glow of a warm evening with the Honeysuckle Quilt Pattern. This charming design features petal-shaped pieces that come together to form sweet floral blocks, creating a quilt that feels light and fresh. It's a beautiful way to highlight the Honeyed Horizon fabrics where sunset-inspired shades blend into a quilt you'll pull out all summer after summer. It's the perfect size for a cozy lap quilt or a bright accent for your home. Okay, and here are the fabric requirements for those of you who want to either get the kit or buy the fabric separately. And this is 47.5 by 47.5. You guys know me, I'd make it bigger. There is no excerpt for this, but here is our first vault pattern, and this one is Winding Path Quilt Pattern. I do not own this pattern, I don't believe. Looks like maybe, is that Tula? I think it's Tula Pink. Anyway, I really love this. This is really nice. And then here are the fabric requirements for this one. And this is exciting. We have our very first block for the quilt along that goes through March of next year, 2027. Here it is. I really like this block. This is nice. So this is the Spooled quilt along, and this is Ring Around the Rosy block. All right, and here are the fabric requirements for this. I'm not sure if the kits are available yet for the quilt along, but I will go ahead and link everything down below if I can find it. So we're gonna go ahead and add up the contents of this box and see what we saved. This is amazing, but you guys have to remember this is also the birthday box. Look at how much the box contents added up to. I have never seen a box worth this much money. Let's go ahead and subtract the $34.95 that we paid. So we saved $65.85. That is so incredibly awesome. I want to hear what your thoughts are on this birthday box. Did it disappoint or did you absolutely love this box? I know I really loved it. I am excited for this item. Like I said, I carry the other one next to my sewing machine, so this one will also have a little home next to my sewing machine. The fabrics are absolutely beautiful. I'm happy with the quilt pattern, the alphabetties. There is nothing in here that disappointed me. Keep your eyes peeled the next 2 weeks. I will have a wild PR kit to share with all of you guys. Bye, everyone.